Hey guys, today we are gonna cook rice flour dumpling. Cut the coconut into small pieces and chop green chilies to add it to taste. Take few curry leaves, then prepare the rice flour dough and take a pan, heat the oil, and once the oil is heated, add mustard, broken urad dal along with gram dal and saute. Wait till the mustard seeds splut and add the green chilies and the curry leaves along with the coconut pieces. Saute it for few minutes, around 2 to 3 minutes. And add asafoetida to taste and saute it again. Now add the rice flour dough and saute it till it becomes to a thick consistency. Now the consistency has become thick so that we could make dumplings with it. Now turn off the stove and leave it to cool for few minutes. Now make a dumpling with the dough and steam it in the idli cooker for 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, healthy and delicious rice dumpling is ready to taste.